Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So these are my guanabana trees, also known as soursop in the States. And I have 3 of them here in Costa Rica. And came out today and saw that the squirrels decided to take a bite out of one of them. So I'm going to harvest all of these guys. So how do you know when the fruit is ripe? Well, normally you can tell because the little spikes on the fruit have separated, and also it gets soft on the bottom, and right here you can feel the softness right there. So this one is definitely ripe, and I'm sure there's several others that are as well. This one's not so much, but I'm afraid that the squirrels will get to it, and I'm going to try to ripen this inside a little bit. Well, the fruit inside this one was perfect. It was beautifully ripe, and it's probably one of the larger fruit I've harvested this year. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and take care. Ciao.